Hello, my name is Johnny, and I'm a web developer with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript skills. Recently, someone sent me a message to create a chat app for him, and since React is popular, I think it's time for me to do React. So I'm going to use this opportunity to learn and create this React app. So follow me in my dev journey. And I'm heading up to my dad's shop. So let me greet these ladies first before I open it.
Concerning your bright what? Something in your bright about I come up with finance to sell what's the moment.
So after reading some documentation from the react.org, I've finally managed to create the app. So it's time to run npm start. And I don't know why it's taking long. I think it's because of my PC. I'm using a very low end PC. Alright, so I've finally created, and it says server is starting. I think it's supposed to start now. It's taking very long, or maybe because my PC is very low end. Let's just wait a little. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll be right back. Alright, so now it's up and running. React is running. So I think it's time to head up to VS Code and do some codes. Alright guys, so thank God I've finally managed to print my hello world on the screen, which is quite an impressive progress, I guess. So let's see if I can create the UI prototype. So after spending some couple of hours, which is almost half of the day, figuring what I'm doing, now I'm able to create a UI prototype for the app. Great. So I posted it on my WhatsApp, and someone told me I should adjust the colors, and I think this is looking very nice. You are making progress. Guys, this will be all of it for today. My PC is already running though. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.